everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Janani and I create content on self-care, makeup and fashion. So today's video is all going to be about this particular makeup tutorial that is suitable for every day, and it's apt for college or office wear. So it's like so minimal, so simple and so good, and it's going to suitable for dusky and brown skin. So yeah, let's get started with the video without any further delay. So I've cleansed my skin and I've used Foxtale Daily Do It Hydrating Cleanser, which is so good for all skin types. It is super gentle and I really like it a lot. Next, I'm just gonna refresh up my face with this Wishcare Rose Water Mist. So I'm just gonna spritz it up like that. Yeah, so now my face looks refreshed and hydrated, right? So after toner, the next step is moisturizer, right? So I'm going to use this, the Dermaco 5% niacinamide moisturizer. This is the hydrating moisturizer. It is very light lotion consistency and it's just so good. I'm just going to apply and massage it slightly and gently on my face. Don't forget to use any skincare product, either be the moisturizer or sunscreen on your eyes, ears and as well as neck, because all these are even important to maintain your skin health. So as you can see, the moisturizer has absorbed properly, and yeah, I'm just ready to move on to the next step. The next step is a sunscreen, right? So here I'm going to use a tinted sunscreen, which is so good and apt for a dusky skin. I really like this Dot & Key Strawberry Dew tinted sunscreen. It has SPF 50 with PA4+, and I'm in the shade Caramel. It's like a very beautiful sunscreen. I can even just use my hand to just give a good light coverage. I'll just show you the difference. As you can see, I'm just using my fingers to just apply the sunscreen on my face. This sunscreen does not give that gray or ashy effect on our dusky skin after applying it. So this is really so good, and the skin tint has a very good warm undertone. As you can see, this side is without sunscreen and this side is with sunscreen. As you can see, it has a good brightened effect and an even skin tone. I really like it, though it does not cover much of the dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It provides a good sun protection and gives an evened out skin, which we can look pretty with it for an everyday look, right? As you can see, it provides a good evened out skin tone. It gives a good hydrating skin-like finish, and I really like this sunscreen for everyday use, so you can definitely check this out. Next step is an optional step. As we have hyperpigmentation, acne spots, I can use a concealer. It is a very good, affordable, hydrating concealer, I would say, and it gives almost a full coverage. So I'm just going to use it on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and acne marks, very slightly, not much, just to conceal them and to give a beautiful evened out look. Now I'm gonna blend it with a makeup brush. You can even use any makeup brush. So this is a good, very good dual foundation come concealer brush. So I'm just gonna blend it quite well. As you can see, it provides a good coverage on my hyperpigmentation and dark spot areas, and it's so good. It is very lightweight, not heavy at all. Yeah, so it's apt for like everyday use. Now my base looks so good, right? So just to give that flush of color, I'm going to use a liquid blush. So this is the Maybelline Sunkisser blush, which I'm really liking because it has a good flush of color and it provides a matte effect, and this is so good for everyday use. So I'm just going to use it just one dot on my cheeks or one dot on my eyelid. That's it. This is again an optional step. If you're in a college, you do not need a blush, but if you're in an office and if you want that flush of color on your cheeks, you can definitely try it out. So this, as you can see, it's a very lightweight liquid blush. It provides a beautiful natural flush of color and it is multi-purpose. You can also use it on your lips. I have used this on my lips and it looks so beautiful, like an everyday shade on our dusky skin. Next, I'm going to use this Staze compact powder. It's called the HD Bright Poreless Plus Oil Control Compact Powder. It's a very good affordable option. You can also use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Both of these are so good and affordable options. I'm just going to take a little and set my entire base makeup with this compact powder. As you can see the difference, it provides a good matte effect and a refreshing look. So it's like great for everyday use. It's an affordable option and it is so good. And this shade is like a good everyday matte shade for me. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Mars eyebrow pencil. So this is again an affordable option. It has the right amount of pigmentation that an eyebrow needs. So I'm just gonna clean off my eyebrows with this pulley and just draw short strokes to give that nice natural and bushy look. And I have the shade black. If you're using a black eyebrow pencil, be very careful to not draw like a very harsh line, so it wouldn't look natural and good, right? Brush your eyebrows well so that there has no harsh lines and your eyebrows looks full and natural like this. Can you see the difference? It does not look like you've drawn something. It looks natural and so good. Next, I'm using this Mamaearth kajal. So I've been using this kajal for almost like an everyday use. It's so good, gentle. Even if you have like watery eyes, it's good. So I'm gonna tightline my eyes with this kajal on my upper and lower waterline, and I'm gonna use this also as an eyeliner because I love to use this matte and long-lasting smudge-proof kajal for everyday use as an eyeliner as well. So on my college days, I was using this and it was so good. So this is almost the completed look. This is my eye look. I would keep my eye look very simple for an everyday purpose. No eyeshadow, no mascara. Especially I wouldn't use mascara for an everyday makeup look. But if you want and that's your preference, you can definitely opt out for it. And for the last product, lips, you can either use a lip balm or a very creamy lipstick, comfortable lipstick, or a lip oil. Today I have two affordable lip balms that you can try. Both are tinted lip balms, so it gives a beautiful color and a pretty look for your everyday makeup look. First one is this budget-friendly option from Foxtale. It's called their Brightening Lip Balm. It has SPF of 30. It also has peptides, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. It's a very beautiful tinted lip balm. I have the shade Ruby, so it's a beautiful red lip balm. It's a very beautiful, it's very pigmented, as you can see, gives very beautiful nourishing effect. It's so good for an everyday use. Today I'm going to use this lip balm from Typsy Beauty. It's called their Pout Polish Lip Treatment Balm. So it has peptide and collagen. It is so good for an everyday use. It is so nourishing. I really like the packaging, the formulation, everything from it. If you have budget, you can definitely try this out. Yeah, this is a beautiful plum shade. Can you see? It just looks so good even on pigmented and two-tone lips. This applicator makes the application so easy. So this is my completed looks. I hope you found this video helpful. So it's great for like everyday office or a college makeup look. You can skip or include some steps according to your preference because makeup is all about our creative. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such amazing long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.